And then there were 38. And then there were 28 Mickey cubes. All right, kiddo. Well, 222 didn't work the last time in the end. So, what are you thinking about today?
111.
It's right here.
Wait, no.
Well, it's Mickey row 1.
Yeah.
Page 1, Mickey row 1, cube 1. Right?
Page 1.
Mm-hmm.
Row 1.
Mm-hmm.
5. That's actually what I was going to say.
All right. Go for it, dude.
It reminds me of a marching band.
Yep. Oh, come on. We need a Minnie or Mickey. Neon Minnie Mickey. Oh, a common Mickey.
A grail.
Oh! Oh, man, the colors. I thought it was a common for a second because it's the colors. And then when you said grail, I noticed the gems. Wow. You know, we don't have a lot of grails, I guess, so I never expect to get one. Look at that. Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Mickey Grail, Crystal Mickey.
Oh
Let's
my God.
color that guy in before we forget. Yes. Yeah, because like with the colors of it, I just thought it was the shiny packaging. But we have a Crystal Mickey. Now, I don't usually try to be greedy with grails. I'm just glad to have one. But I do want at least one grail dupe. And I don't care if it's Mickey, Minnie, or Pluto. Because I want to see one out of the packaging.
Mm-hmm.
Normally I'm like, just give me a grail and I'm a happy boy. But I gotta see one open. All right. Well, you know what that means. It means we keep going. All right. What's it gonna be?
I was just speechless for a couple of seconds.
You were. And it totally caught me by surprise. It's like, oh, red shorts. That's a common. Just didn't expect it. Wow.
Yeah, because we have so little.
I know. We've got a great collection, but we haven't been super lucky when it comes to grails. So that shocked me. Daddy also hasn't had coffee yet, so, you know. So close to this, not miss it this time. Common Mini! Okay, that one we have. Well, we do this thing. We get a new one, we get a dupe. Next video. We get a new one, we get a dupe. So it's been like two cubes per video. There we go. Let's check our cereal out. Okay. And we have a mini open already. So there we go. So now we've got a rock stock trade on the minis. And great. All right. Well, we didn't have quite the excited reaction because I think we were both a little bit stunned and surprised and didn't see it coming. So that is amazing. Let's go back one more time. There he is. Look. Mickey Mouse, Crystal.
I want to open him.
And look, we've got a 59 of Minnie, and we've got a 58 of Mickey, so we've got a couple of good cereals in this crew.
Grail, just look at that.
I know.
Nice.
That end, look at that statometer. Go, 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 go. Oh, look at that. But, guys, I gotta tell you, this is, as we love this is great, but 21 toys, 131 wrapped, and so far, 0 Ultra Grails. So, we will see you guys tomorrow.
Yep.